If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Alright, we're gonna be checking out Galileo by Kep1er. It's their recent comeback. I think this came out like 12 hours, literally 12 hours ago. Oh my goodness. Well, when this goes up, I don't know when this is gonna be uploaded. All right, let's check out Kep1er Galileo in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Galileo. Oh. Okay, bass. Ooh. Oh, it's like a photo booth? Oh, it is. Oh, different symbols too. Merry-go-round. Heart. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Ooh. Can't even count. Look at my heart. Look at my heart. My heart. Okay. Oh, the painting moved. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Take center stage. Oh, the cat. Oh, wait. They're going to each painting, maybe? Leo. Ah, cute. That was cute. 1 + 1 = I'm missing you. Miss you too. That's what I mean. It's your proof? Oh yeah. Yeah. My most beloved Galileo. What? Okay. The sky fills again with orange hue. The whole yellow, like the yellow with the flowers right here. Is that real? No, can't. No, they are. Oh, it's a heart. I just realized. Of course. My heart. Hey. My God, this outfit with her hair. Okay. Oh, it's like chalk, almost like a drawing, like doodles. No. Ah, maybe she's drawing it too. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Okay. I will. We watch it right now. Take it to the heart, yeah. Hey. Ah. The little breakdown was fire though too. It's like different like art paintings, like different scenes too. Ooh. The little wink always gets me. Ah. Come on down, Leo. Ah, I see. Leo. They are. Bro, if they are legit art. Oh, that was pretty short than I expected actually. Maybe I was just like really grooving into it. You know when you have so much fun or you're just like vibing? Like, oh. Oh, wow. What a dress. Miss Ma'am. She's serving for real. Oh, that was pretty good. Actually. Let me see. That dance break was kind of fire, actually. Not kind of. It was pretty fire. I loved it. Alright. Woo! They were hitting that shit. What is it? It went like, Wait. Ha. Take it. Take it to the heart, yo. Did he say yo? They did. Come and watch me shine. Hey. How prettier I am. That part's fire. The outro. Shouting? Miss Ma'am. Shouting be really killing it right there. Let me go. She kind of ends the song too a little bit, no? That little... Oh, they're cute. Damn, how they all fit in there? That's pretty big. That's a pretty big photo booth, no? This part right here, though, she in that dress. She looking like she out here to slay. She out here to kill. Shit, look at that. Eyes, smile. And the look, oh my goodness. Miss Ma'am. Damn.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.